It's the opportunity. I think that I look at it as a way of finding that consistency in trading can give you a little bit every day. And in my view, it's something that I see myself doing until I get really old. It'd be something that I would do until I mentally can handle it anymore. So if I'm 70, 80, 90, whatever it is, something that I could do and dabble with that. I start my day at about 7:15. I open my computer. I look at kind of what the market's been doing. You can see where the market has paused and started and stopped, and so I draw lines where I think there's support and resistance inside the market. The 7:30 is when it opens, and that candle and that time frame is always very volatile. You'll have runs, that just go way up and way down in the same 4 or 5 minute time frame. So wait till the 7:35 and then start to look for a pattern with inside the indicators that makes sense. And I have found when I have been disciplined in not guessing and not out trying to do myself, but just follow the rules, that has been very, very consistent trade and very, very profitable trade. The executive coaching to me is kind of like the next level. You start and you want to get your feet wet. You kind of get yourself a couple weeks of good coaching and then see how you do with it. But when you want to reach that next level, the executive coaching, I think, is where you want to find yourself looking into and trying to get yourself to that level. Glad I took the opportunity to do the executive coaching. I'm glad to be a part of it, and I really feel like there's a possibility of opportunity. That's a reality. I've really loved the positive and the experiences with the coaches, because I really believe the coaches want people to be successful, and because they have a personal interest. And sometimes it isn't even the coach that you've ever had before, but they just generally are people that are interested in helping people move along. Only advice I'd give it to you is that I think I would start by going in with an expectation. I had an expectation that I was going to learn and it was just going to be a turn of the key and it was just going to work. But if you go in the opportunity that the market, we're just trying to work with inside the bounds of the market, and then we take advantage of opportunities that the market presents. And then I think the biggest one is just not be greedy. I think a lot of times it's just stay with inside the bounds of the trade, and then you'll see that there's trades that you can do that will have a successful one.